Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are exploring one of the most useful shapes in geometry, the 30-60-90 triangle. This special right triangle appears frequently in mathematics and engineering, and understanding its properties will save you a lot of time in calculations. So, what exactly makes a right triangle special? It is all about predictability. While most right triangles require complex trigonometry to solve, special right triangles have specific angles that create exact, consistent ratios between their side lengths. This means if you memorize the pattern, you can solve them instantly without a calculator. To understand where the numbers come from, we start with a perfect equilateral triangle. In this shape, all three sides are the same length, and all three angles are exactly 60 degrees. It is perfectly symmetrical. Now, let's cut that equilateral triangle exactly in half by drawing an altitude line down the center. This splits the top 60-degree angle into two 30-degree angles. It also creates two right angles at the base. We have just created two identical 30-60-90 triangles. Let's assign some simple numbers to see the relationship. Suppose the original equilateral triangle had sides of length 2. Since we cut the base in half, the short leg at the bottom becomes 1. The hypotenuse remains the original side length of 2, so now we have two known sides, 1 and 2. We are missing the height, or the long leg. We can find this using the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. If we plug in 1 and 2, we find that the missing side squared equals 3. Therefore, the height is exactly the square root of 3. This gives us the golden ratio for every 30-60-90 triangle. The side opposite 30 degrees is x. The side opposite 60 degrees is x times the square root of 3. And the side opposite 90 degrees, the hypotenuse, is 2x. Memorizing this one slide is the key to the entire topic. Let's try a practice problem. Suppose you are given the shortest side, opposite the 30-degree angle, and it has a length of 5. To find the hypotenuse, simply double it to get 10. To find the long leg, multiply by the square root of 3 to get 5 root 3. Now let's look at a slightly harder case. What if you are given the hypotenuse? Here, the hypotenuse is 16. Since the hypotenuse is 2x, we divide by 2 to find the short leg, which gives us 8. Once we have the short leg, we just multiply by the square root of 3 to find the long leg, 8 root 3. To wrap up, remember these three keys. First, check your angles to confirm it is a 30-60-90 triangle. Second, always try to find the short leg, or x, first, as it links everything together. And third, trust the ratio, 1 root 3 2. With these tools, you can solve any problem of this type.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.